Define the main health and safety responsibilities. Employer. Safe place of work. Safe work equipment and substances. Information, instruction, training and supervision. Welfare provisions. Emergency procedures. Consultation with employees. Do not charge employees for health and safety measures. To ensure that working hours do not adversely affect employees' safety and health. To remove any physical or mental fatigue. Workers. Take reasonable care of their own safety and that other people who might be affected by the things that they do and the things that they fail to do. Comply with all safety instructions and procedures. Use all safety equipment properly and not tamper with it. Report any situation which they believe could be a hazard and cannot themselves correct. Report any work-related accident, ill health. What are the documentation that is likely to be inspected in a health and safety audit? Safety policy. Method of statements. Safe system of work. Accident records. Maintenance records. Arrangements. Give the meaning of the term permit to work. PTW is a formal written procedure requiring written confirmation that certain actions have been carried out to eliminate or control risks before a specific high-risk activity is carried out. Explain types of activity that may require a permit to work. Hot work. Flammable materials are removed from the work area. Items that cannot be removed are covered with fire blanket. Floor is swept clean. Wooden floor is damped down. A suitable fire extinguisher is at hand. A fire watcher is present in the area. The work area visited routinely after the work has finished to check the area for smoldering. Work on live electrical system. Working live is justified. All precautions are in place. The workers are competent to do the work. Machinery maintenance. Work is carefully planned, assessed and controlled. The nature of the work is communicated to those who need to know about it. Power sources are isolated and locked off. Stored energy is released or secured. The workers are competent to do the work. Confined spaces. Entry into confined spaces can be extremely hazardous, so should always be under the control of a permit to work system. This will require a competent person to carry out a risk assessment and then develop a safe system of work which identifies all the necessary precautions for entry and the emergency arrangements that must be put in place. Work at height. A large proportion of workplace fatalities are caused by falls from height. This is considered a high-risk activity and is often covered with the use of a permit to work. Avoidance of working at height if possible. Prevention of falls by provision of a safe workplace. Minimization of the distance and consequences of falls by the use PPE to limit falls, or safety devices. Weather conditions, which an organization could encourage workers. Discipline. Reward. Informing. Facilitate safe behavior. Training. Communication. Employee involvement. Incentives. Leading by example. Performance appraisals. Which circumstances that may require a health and safety policy to be reviewed. Accidents. Incidents. New equipment. New staff. New technology. New premises. Changes in legislation. Accident investigation. Enforcement action. Prosecution. Compensation claims. Periodic review. Why visitors to a workplace might be at greater risk of injury than an employee. Unfamiliar hazards and risks. Unfamiliar with process. Lack of knowledge. Explain precautions that could be taken to help to ensure the health and safety of visitors to a workplace. Signing in, badges etc. Information regarding the risks present and site rules and procedures, especially in emergency situations. Visitor supervision, that is, escorts. Restricted access to certain areas. Prior notification to the department manager.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.